What's up guys, you're Slider from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to change slider sizes and dimensions using WordPress Revolution Slider plugin into its latest version. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. How to access the dashboard? Into the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus wp-admin and enter with the login credentials. After this, you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Of course, page may change according to the themes and plugins you are using. No worries, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus, scroll down just a little bit, and into the bottom you're gonna be able to find Slider Revolution. Click on it. Then scroll down and find the slider that you would like to change the dimensions. In my case, gonna be this one. Hover a mouse over the slider, a pencil icon gonna appear. All you have to do is click into this pencil and it gonna load the slider, just like this. Now review the upper left corner of your screen. There is the Slider Revolution icon, settings, slides, timeline, layers, and add. Go to settings and click on Model Configuration. We have Basic, Content Raw, and Advanced. So we're gonna click into the Content Raw tab, and right here we can customize the settings of the slider. For example, imagine that you would like to have a different slider size only on tablet. Mark this option and set the size right here. In the case that you want that it auto-adjust, all you have to do is unmark the options and let the slider choose the best thing. And here is where you're gonna be able to set the width and the height of your slider. In the case that you want to change the height, all you have to do is change the number right here. For example, just like this. Or maybe like this. Seems pretty, right? Up to you and to your needs. And the same can be made on every single part of the slider, okay? So, settings, model configurator, next to basic, content raw. According to the options you have right here on basic, the options you change right here may or may not have effect. For example, I'm gonna change the height right here, okay, for 400, okay? But if you set the slider to be full height, the slider gonna consume the entire height of the screen. So you must unmark this option, go to content raw, and now you're gonna be able to play with the options right here, okay? And it is. Always remember, after doing the change, review the upper right corner of your screen and hit this save icon right here, this diskette icon, to save your change. Now your changes are made, you can preview and test if you like the results or not. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!